Good morning, my friend. This is Sadi again. Today we got 2015 Honda Civic with 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine. This time I want to show you how do it for replace the spark plug. Okay. Uh, Previous video we show you some photos for the car. It's nice inside. Okay, we got the dash control, the dashboard. It's nice, beautiful Honda Civic with navigation. Okay, this is the engine. We need to be take the cover for find the spark plug. Okay, this is a little bit advanced. The the spark plug. This motor is out. The spark plug. Okay, we started. First thing for remove the spark plug. After take the cover, we are pull out the ignition coil. For pull out the ignition coil, we use the finger tire clamp. In this case, for remove the clamps, you don't need any special tool. It's just the hands. Use the. I will show you one moment, please. Okay, this for your finger. You push down the lock. Okay, and then pull it. Okay, do it like that for four plugs for four ignition coil. Okay, after that, the next step is use it the socket 3A socket, the 10 millimeters with the extension, no, with no extension, just a ratchet for remove the ignition coil bolt. Is what they keep it the coil tight on the monoblock on the head valve. Okay, until we and screw the bolt. Sorry, and screw the bolt to take the ignition coil out. Okay, after removing the bolts, is just turn it and left and the right side and pull it because the ignition coil they got one seal on the top side for dash seal and the water seal for don't go into inside the spark plugs and dash and the water. It's just it needs to be removed and the left side and right side and they pull it out. Okay, after remove the ignition coils, we use the deep socket number 5A or 16 millimeters with a 8 inches extension and ratchet for break it down and remove the spark plug. Okay. Okay, you got two choices. In this case, I will use the same ignition coil for remove the spark plug for the housing, or you can use the magnet, deep socket with magnet, or just a magnet for pull out the spark plug. In this case, you can use the ignition coil for remove the spark plug to the housing. Okay, do it the same way for the four spark plugs. After that, use some air compression for clean the housing, some the dash, everything take outside, and put the new spark plugs. Put any seals on the thread and put it back. Okay, my friend, this is Sari. It's just a short video. I was trying to share for you how is for remove the spark plugs on the 2015 Honda Civic with a 1.8 liter engine. If you like this video, please put a like it and you share for your friends for keep on go supporting this channel for the people was broke down the road. And okay, we got all the spark plugs out, and we started clean the houses with air compression for some dash, some in the houses before putting back the new spark plugs. Okay, friend, this is Sari. Don't forget subscribe the channel and share this video for your friends. Okay, thanks.